CrossTec actually is the US and Canadian distributor of NetOp. It originated in 1987 in Denmark, and it was used and adopted by the Danish stock market, very prevalent there, and we picked it up as a product in 1996. It's extremely robust because it actually contains three products. You've got remote control and access, you have an asset management product, and then you have a training application. I guess what I could do is speak about each one of these. Remote control and access product basically is extremely robust. It's very secure. It uses 256 levels of encryption. It secures support through any firewall. Traditionally, most companies have gone to VPNs to protect their security, understandably. We're a way to connect through a firewall and into a network remotely and extremely securely. We also, on the other side of this product, actually have the ability to use this with help desk, where we can actually go out and remotely control client desktops, Wake on LAN. We have the ability to drag and drop applications, to assess and evaluate current configurations and rebuild those configurations if there's any deficiency. Extremely fast and very secure. Our products traditionally use about 22 megs of active RAM and 10 megabytes of hard disk memory. I'd like to point to this screen. Basically, we have hundreds of thousands of licenses. Security, again, is the 256, the highest level of encryption, Diffie-Hellman. As far as speed, it loads no drivers, which is very important. So there are no drivers that have to be removed from, if the program is changed from one server or group to another PC. We can work on multiple networks, modem, high-speed cable, internet, VPN, wide area network, local area network. Of course, the web. A number of different operating systems, Windows, DOS, Linux, ActiveX, Unix, and Symbian. We're the only secure solution that I know about for handheld devices. This speaks primarily about how fast this is and how much RAM we load on individual machines. We use the snap-in. We talked about, when I first opened our conversation, we talked about several products. We have remote control and access. We have a product that's called NetOp School. Actually, that is a training application. And what's so interesting about that, it's very secure. It can be used in any environment. So an instructor can actually launch this program across the network and view up to 255 client or student desktops simultaneously. So he can actually see miniaturizations of the screen. Not only that, he can actually have bidirectional communication, both voice and email. That means that both the student or the class can be speaking at the same time the teacher can be speaking or emailing each other. You can select individual desktops so you can provide assistance for individual students. You can hand off control of this product to other groups. For instance, if you have a class of 200 and you're setting up group heads or groups of 25, you could actually hand this product off and the control of this product to the group heads. And it can be launched across, again, any type of a network, including the web. We have three other components that integrate with both the control and the school product, and that is a gateway server. So the gateway access to the network is totally secure. We have a name server and we have a security server. The interesting part about the name server is that you can actually enter names of various computers or groups, And once those computers and groups come up, they'll automatically find you as the resource. The third component is an asset management tool. This is very unique in the fact that you really do not have to know anything other than to point and click. Traditionally, asset management involves a very cumbersome approach where you've actually got to transition this product into databases. With our product, basically it has an onboard database that is open-ended and so the information from this database can be moved from our asset management software to any database you're currently using. The other interesting component about this is that if you run one inventory 1 week and you run another inventory the second week, it actually highlights the differences in not only the hardware but the software by IP address, by user, and by group. And you can select any color of your choosing. All these products can be found at CrossTec. Our web address is www.crosstech.com.